Thutha wa mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga na atongoria matiganite ya mung'ethaniro na ikundi cia kurira ihoto cia umundu gukirira mucemanio wa muthenya wa ira gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto na mucirithania munene Martha Koome, riu mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ni ateteire mucemanio ucio akiuga ni uguteithiriria kugacirithia haro ya ungumania. President AUGITE hari na bata wa honge ciothe ithatu cia thirikari kurithania wira ciri hamwe niguo kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere wa bururi na kuhitana na ungumania uria ugumiire honge ciothe cia thirikari na kuhotomia motungata ma muingi.
Hawa watu wote wakora na wezi na wafisadi ndio ilisababisha jana tukaketi chini na Chief Justice na viongozi speaker wa bunge na tumekubaliana kukabiliana na wafisadi wote pamoja na wakora na matapeli na hawa land grabbers.
AKIARIA ari gicigo-ini kia UMBUNGE kia GILGIL KAUNTY-INI ya NAIKURU, President ni ongereire kuga kumana na mucemanio ucio riu bururi ni ukwota gwikura minyororo-ini ya turia nime turia tukoretwo tunyitite migwate honge itiganite cia thirikari niguo megune o kiumbe. Riu President akihita kuhuthira uhoti wothe wa thirikari kung'ethanira na ungumania na aria megunaga na tabarira cia thirikari guku bururi-ini.
All leaders from all areas, including the civil society, including religious organizations, including leaders in the opposition, leaders in government. All of us must close ranks because corruption, incompetence, and vested interests are a big threat to the Republic of Kenya. They are what has made this country not move forward. They have undermined every agenda to take our country forward, and they are so brazen that they can challenge anybody.
O President okiriria atongoria marakumithirie mucemanio ucio akiuga magire gukorwo makiheana mawoni mao megie uria bururi ungigacirithia haro ya kuhurana na ungumania handu ha kuingiria uteti utari na kiene maundu-ini ma bata.
The judiciary is being held hostage by the executive.
Bring your ideas if you believe that corruption is a menace in Kenya. If you care about the Republic of Kenya, give us your ideas on how we are going to deal with the menace of corruption in Kenya.
Hamwe na maundu maria maraiguithanirio ni ruhonge rwa magoti ruongererwo mbeca makiria cia kwandika acirithania makiria igoti ria gucokia cira riko na igoti inene.
Mambo yao ni matatu: wafisadi, wakora, matapeli. Mambo yao ni ngapi? Sinamna hiyo.
Miario ya President ni nyitetwo mbaru ni munini wake Rigathi Gachagua na mutongoria wa regi mbunge Kimani Ichung'wah.
But I know many people are very unhappy with what is going on. Makezi imekaa ya mashamba kotini 30 years, 40 years. Watu wanakufa hawajapata title.
In the judiciary now agree that corruption is a problem. Those of us in the legislature agree that we have a problem of corruption in Kenya. Those of you, Your Excellency, serving under your leadership in the executive, you have also considered that indeed corruption is a cancer that we must deal with.
Hado-ini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.